Father, my Father. Father, my Father. Who is in heaven? I give my spirit unto you. He said, God, my Creator, take my soul and put it to you. He said, my Father, create a throne for me in heaven, so that my soul can have a place to stay. When Jesus died, Jesus did not die, but he gave up his spirit. Nobody can kill Jesus. There is no spirit that can kill Jesus. So as me, I cannot die. So as you cannot die. We are not the dying type. We are not the dying type. Even if you are sick right now, but you are healed already, because you are not a sick type. Even if you don't have money right now, when Jesus died, he took the keys, he took the authority in the hand of the devil. That's why there's no devil worship. Worship us stand up. There's no devil worship. There's worshippers and worship. There are devils that are trying to overcome their worship. But if they are truly with Jesus, devil could not change over them. Even if you are sick right now, you are not going to die. Even if you can be admitted to Gwelezan, but you cannot die. Even if there is a witch in your home, cannot kill you. The witch cannot kill you. The witch cannot kill you, because death has no portion. Death got no portion. Angela, come here. Come here. Come and stand here. So when we die,